Are you looking for fun and effective ways to build a child's early reading skills at home or in the classroom? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 simple pre-K literacy activities you can start using right away. There's no prep, no screens, and no overwhelm. These activities build the foundation for reading success by developing phonemic awareness, vocabulary, and confidence, all while your child plays, explores, and laughs. We know from research that early literacy exposure drastically improves long-term reading outcomes. Kids who play with sounds, explore letters, and hear rich language from a young age are more likely to become confident, fluent readers later on. But that doesn't mean you need a workbook or a rigid routine in preschool. In fact, the most powerful literacy activities for pre-K kids are the ones that feel like play and fit naturally into everyday life. As a certified teacher and literacy specialist, I've helped hundreds of families and teachers build these skills with children. And that's exactly what I want to help you with today. First of all, here's why literacy activities in pre-K are so important. They build phonemic awareness, which is the ability to hear and play with sounds and words. They strengthen listening and comprehension skills, even before kids can read. They develop vocabulary, language, confidence, and letter recognition without pressure. And here's the best part. You're probably already doing some of this without even realizing it. Every time you read aloud, sing, play rhyming games, or talk about letters, you're building your child's reading brain. So let's jump into our first activity, and that's the sound scavenger hunt. What you're gonna do is pick a sound like B and challenge your child to find things around the house that start with that sound. You can say, can you find something that starts with B? Ball, book, banana. And here's why it works. This builds phonemic awareness and sound symbol connection, which are key foundations for decoding words later on. You can do this game anywhere, at home, in the car, or even in the grocery store. The second activity is alphabet sensory play. You can use sand, shaving cream, or even Play-Doh to form letters. Let your child trace the letter while saying the sound. This is S, it says S. This is multisensory learning in action, combining touch, sight, sound to build stronger memory and motor pathways. It's especially powerful for tactile learners and children who need more movement and hands-on interaction. Our third activity is picture walk storytelling. Before reading a new book, flip through the pages together and ask, what do you think's happening here? What do you think will happen next? Let your child make up the story using only the pictures. It builds narrative skills, vocabulary, and also comprehension, all before decoding even begins. It also makes reading feel collaborative and playful. It's not something they have to get right. Our fourth suggestion are rhyming games. Play simple rhyme matching games. For example, I'm thinking of a word that rhymes with cat, and they could respond, mat. Or can you find something in the room that rhymes with log? And they could respond, dog. Rhyming is one of the best predictors of early reading success, and it's a fun way to stretch listening and sound manipulation skills. So you can sing rhyming songs, make up silly rhymes, or play which one doesn't belong. Our fifth activity is letter jump. In this activity, use letter cards or write letters on sticky notes or chalk outside. Then call out a letter and have your child jump to it or stomp on the sound. You can say, find the letter that says and they would hop to that letter. This game combines movement and phonics, which boosts both engagement and memory. This one's great for active learners and helps get the wiggles out while reinforcing key skills. You don't need to carve out hours every day. Most of these activities can be done in 10 minutes or less, and they can actually fit right into your normal day. While cooking, you can say, let's find things that start with S. At bedtime, you can picture walk a story together, or on a walk, play rhyming games with things that you see. The key is consistency over intensity. And if you're looking for a simple step-by-step way to build children's early literacy skills at home, I created something just for you. The Active Readers Early Childhood Reading Curriculum is designed for pre-K and kindergarten learners. It includes a structured literacy workbook, phonics-based skill-building exercises, step-by-step video guidance, printable learner handouts, and hands-on activities. There's no screens, no stress, just a clear path to confident reading. You can check it out at the link below in this video. Teaching a child to read doesn't have to be overwhelming, and it also doesn't start with sight words or guessing. It starts here with play, sound, movement, and connection. So pick one of these activities today, keep it short, fun, and consistent, and remember, You're building a child's reading brain, one joyful moment at a time. Also, if you leave a comment or question in the comment section below, one lucky person is going to receive one early reader pack. This is a set of phonics-based alphabet cards, and it's jam-packed with multi-sensory reading activities that you can do right within the home. So leave your comment below and don't miss out.